Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Wednesday, March 27, 2024. Right now it's 9:15 p.m. And so first, let's look at the market. And as we know, yesterday when it get to close, the market already broke down and feel like it's kind of going down without any kind of stopping point. But the future bounced back right after the market closed, and it bounced back really hard. And as I mentioned, that 50 to 16 level, or say 50 to 15 level, that's something equivalent over here. It's a pretty important level. That's 50% retracement level. And also, as we look at the day before, is a very important support. So overnight, it was able to punch through that and get back above, and then we see that market kind of run up a lot by the open, and everything looks so bullish. And then at 10 o'clock, but this is more about 9:50, and market really dropped down and have been sitting here for really long time, for the whole morning, and looks very, very bearish. Meanwhile, I would say from the yesterday's closing perspective, it is still above this 50 to 10 level, and that's a good sign. And in the afternoon, let's see, so after 1 o'clock, you have some good sign coming back up here, and it's been chopping, but it seems like it's trying to make higher here. And when it get to 3:15, 3:30-ish, it almost looks like I want to kind of come back down again, but only to kind of here got swoop up really a lot. And it's really kind of fascinating to see that how the market can move. And is this simply just the function of the stop loss kind of being taken out? And it's ridiculous to see a move yesterday, and today is almost like a mirroring what happened yesterday. So today go all the way to the upside and close almost at like a 52.50. That's insane. So yeah, that's kind of insane. What does this entail to us? And 52.50, that's a very important level, and it's only kind of 10 points away from the all-time high. And it seems like tomorrow it should likely be able to touch the new high, and then probably need to see where it go from there. So as we know, it's been kind of that's the last Thursday, and it make the new high, and then it's been chopping around there for pretty much for the whole morning, above 52.50. Only that later it broke down. So, well, it's a revision here. It's probably likely, if say tomorrow is open, say above 52.50, and yeah, I won't be surprised it's going to make a new high. Will be closing around this 52.75 area, and I do feel I, it's hard to say that exactly how market going to function tomorrow, because the Friday market going to be closed, but there's also important like a PCE data is coming out, so I guess nobody want to go short, but I don't think anyone want to low up a lot either. Well, but it could, based on the move in the last few days, is kind of really nerve-wracking, and probably with all these shaking, then all those things probably whatever that kind of the fearful one that had been shaken out, and probably it doesn't matter what, people are going to hold on to their position. So that means market going to hold up. If not going wild, then at least it should hold up somewhere above this 52.50 level. It could be closing around. It could be kind of trying to shoot for like a 52.75 area, and if we go even wild, then it could go ahead to close at like a 5300 level. And Monday going to start a new month, and there will be like a new money coming in, and I guess that's another reason that people probably do not want to get out now, because there will be more money coming in at the beginning of the new month. So it would be interesting to see how that's going to play out tomorrow. And let's quickly look at the calendar. So Wednesday, apparently at 6 o'clock, there's a speech from Fed Waller. At least as of right now, the market is not going crazy. It seems like pretty stable. So I guess this is not really influential at all. And then Thursday. So Thursday, first is at 8:30. There's a GDP data release, and then there's also some like a core PCE prices quarter over quarter, jobless claim, and consumer spending, and then 9:45 like Chicago PMI data, and then 10 o'clock have Michigan consumer sentiment, and also have a pending home sales. There's a lot of data here, like and then 10:30 have the natural gas inventory, and 11 have Fed composite index, and 11:30 have the cherry auctions. 12 o'clock have mortgage rate, and yeah, and then there's these plants plantings, and also stocks as well. And 1 o'clock, there's a Baker Hughes oil rig count. So that's about it. It's pretty packful and busy morning, and like I said, at least we'll go to until like 12 o'clock or even 1 o'clock. It'll be interesting to see how this is going to play out tomorrow. And tomorrow, let me see, the market. Tomorrow market likely going to move probably about maybe 30 points, 25 points ish, something like that, and or even more. So it's just hard to tell at this point. And but I think that 25 30 points, that's easy can be done. So that means somewhere 50 to 75, 50 to 80 ish. And if we say it go a bit wild, could go to 5300. Of course, it could also always coming back down to 52.25 or 52.15 ish, and which is very possible, and probably not going to go that crazy, coming down to 51.95 ish. So we shall see. Okay. So best of luck to everyone. May you be with the energy all the time. Thank you.